Good morning, Colts. I'm Jamie.
And I'm Joey, and this is KTV for June 2nd, Thursday, June 2nd, 2022.
In yearbook news, if you did not pick up your yearbook after school yesterday, please pick it up in room 37 before school or at break today, tomorrow, and Monday.
Speaking of yearbooks, don't bring Sharpie pens to school. They are permanent markers, which means if the ink gets on clothing, it can't be washed out. You don't need to use a regular marker to sign yearbooks. A regular pen or pencil will work just fine.
Now in school schedule news, because of finals schedule next week, the cafeteria schedule will be different. After Monday, all food service will be through the outdoor lines and the multi will be closed for the rest of the week. Breakfast will be served for everyone all through next week, Monday through Friday. On Tuesday, break and lunch will be provided for all, but the PTSA will provide meal cards to the students who are at the bowling alley.
On Wednesday, breakfast and break food will be provided for all, while on Thursday, break will be in the small quad for 7th graders only, as the 8th graders will be participating in the promotion celebration in the large quad. Breakfast and break will be provided for all again on Friday, and 8th graders will enjoy a pizza feast in the quad at 11:30. It sounds like our cafeteria and PTSA will take good care of us.
Breakfast sounds good. What else is on the lunch menu, Joey?
Today we have an enchilada, a hot dog with bun, a bean and cheese pupusa with coleslaw, and a hoagie turkey ham and cheese sandwich.
That sounds delicious. Now let's get the weather forecast with Cameron in the weather studio.
Thanks, Jamie. Welcome to the weather studio. This week will be pretty similar to last week with the temps in the mid-70s all week. Today it will have a max of 79 and a min of 51. On Friday it will have a high of 67 and a low of 50. On Saturday it will have a high of 65 and a low of 55. So it'll be nice this week and on the weekend for some summer activities. Now back to Joey and Jamie in the KTV studio.
Thanks, Cameron. Attention 8th graders. Your 8th grade celebration dance will be on Tuesday, June 7th from 5 to 7 p.m. The PTSA is sponsoring this dance, which means it's free for all 8th grade students. The theme is red carpet, and food and drinks will be provided.
The school dress code applies at the dance. The suggested attire is semi-formal, which means more than casual and less than formal wear. We can't wait to see you all dressed up to celebrate.
Congratulations to the 394 Kenilworth students who maintained a 2.87 GPA or higher and did not receive a single Dermot all year long and received 3 Colt cards. You will be rewarded with a trip to the bowling alley.
You will enjoy bowling with your friends for 1.5 hours, and you will receive a $7 arcade card plus food and drinks provided by the bowling alley. Special prizes will be awarded for high bowling scores throughout the morning.
Permission slips for the bowling alley were handed out yesterday during 6th period and need to be returned by tomorrow during 6th period. If we do not have your permission slip, you will not be able to attend this reward activity, so get them back tomorrow.
I can't wait for the NBA Finals. They start today. Let's go to Dylan in the Sports Corner for more information.
Thanks, Jamie. Hey, Colts. Today is the start of the NBA Finals. The teams consist of the Boston Celtics and the Golden State Warriors. Just a reminder that it starts at 6 p.m. Who do you think is going to win? Well, that's it for sports today. Now back to Joey and Jamie in the KTV studio.
I can't wait to see who wins.
That's all for today, Colts. Remember to get your yearbook in room 37 and return bowling alley permission slips tomorrow. And that's KTV.